So hello friends, my name is Tejas Patil and today's topic is difference between object oriented programming language and object based programming language, and today's date is 27 July 2022. So first of all we discuss what is the object oriented programming language and what is object based or procedure oriented programming language. Uh, if any language includes the concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, robust classes and objects, and these concepts are if any language uses these concepts, then it is a object oriented programming language. And if it is not used by any language, it is known as procedural oriented programming language. Now we will see the main difference between these two types of languages comparatively. So first one is in procedure oriented programming language, program is divided in small parts, and it is known as functions, as compared to in object oriented programming language. uh, object oriented programming language, program is divided in two parts and it is known as objects. uh, what type of approach they are following? So procedure oriented programming language follows top down approach, but object oriented programming language follows bottom up approach. Now in procedure oriented programming language, there is no access specifier, but in object oriented programming language, there is a access specifier, like private, public, protected, etc. uh, Now the next one is we all know that the concept of encapsulation. So in procedure oriented programming language, there is a proper way of hiding, there is no proper way of hiding data, so it is less secure. But in object oriented programming language, there is a proper way of hiding data, and it is that's why it is more secure. uh, in procedure oriented programming language, functions are more important than data, but in object oriented programming language, functions are not a priority, data is first priority. Then next one is uh, procedure oriented programming language are in unreal world, and object oriented programming language are in a real world. The reusability of code which is written in procedure oriented programming language is absent. As compared to object oriented programming language, it is present. uh, C, Pascal, and etc. There are these are the examples of procedure-oriented programming languages, and Java, etc. are the examples of object-oriented programming languages. So, if we conclude all these things, we came to know that procedure oriented programming language is the priority of this language is procedure that it follows. But if we consider object oriented programming language, its priority is end goal, and that's why it is very useful. That's why it is used for very complex and large programs, compared to procedure oriented programming language. And that is all from my side. Thank you.